Hello, my beautiful friends. So, today we will learn about admission of a partner, chapter number 4 in accountancy class 12th. So, this is my first presentation regarding admission of a partner. Now, remember these 6 steps under the admission of a partner. These steps involve sacrifice ratio, treatment of goodwill, revaluation account, partner's capital account, cash account if required, and balance sheet of the new firm. So, the very first topic is sacrifice ratio. What is sacrifice ratio? What is the formula to calculate sacrifice ratio? For this, just remember this simple word son. S means sacrifice, O means old, and N means new ratio. Just apply this simple formula, that is S equals to O minus N. If the answer is negative, it means sacrifice ratio is there, and negative answer means gaining ratio is there. Just remember this simple word son to calculate sacrifice ratio. Now here's the first case under sacrifice ratio, that is remaining profit method. This is very simple method. When you will apply this method, when no information is given except new partner's share, then you will apply this formula, then you will apply this method. Under this method there are 3 steps. First of all, you have to calculate remaining profit, which is equal to total profit minus new partner's share of profit. Then you have to divide the remaining profit between the old partners in their old ratio, and the third step is sacrifice ratio. Now let's take an example how you will calculate sacrifice and new ratio under this method. First of all, for example, A and B are the partners and their profit ratio 3:2 is given in the question. C is the new partner for 1/5 share. That's all about the question. Just this information is given in the question, like A and B are the partners, their profit ratio. C is the new partner for 1/5. No information is given regarding sacrifice or new profit ratio. It means you have to apply remaining profit method. Now let us assume total profit to be 1. Then what is the remaining profit after C's share? So after C's share, the remaining profit will be 4/5. Now you have to divide this 4/5 between the old partners in their old ratio. Old partners are A and B and their old ratio is 3:2. So you will apply this 4/5 into 3/5 for Mr. A and 4/5 into 2/5 to Mr. B. In this way you will calculate the new profit share of A and B. Share of C is already given in the question, that is 1/5, but for making all the denominators to same, you have to multiply by 5 so that C's denominator will be 25. So you have to take 5 upper also and lower also. In this way your denominator will get equal. Therefore, the new profit ratio will be 12:8:5. Now, if remaining profit method is applied in the question, there is no need to calculate sacrifice ratio. The old ratio of the old partners will be their sacrifice ratio. So, this is all about case number 1. Let's take case number 2, that is give and take method. Now, what happens under this case? In this case, new partner gets his share from the old partners. Let's take this example. A and B are the partners. Their profit ratio is 7:5. C is the new partner for 1/6 share. But now the next is he takes his share as 1/24 from A and 1/8 from B. Now there is new in the statement. There is something new in the statement. In the previous case, no information is given regarding C's share, that who is going to share, who is going to sacrifice by whom, and what C will get from A and from B. No information is given. But in this case, all such information is given. So just calculate the new share of A. For example, new share of A is, his old share is 7/12. He gave 1/24 to Mr. C. What remains? Remains means what is left with A, that is 13/24. Same for B, and C's share is given the question. Again we have to make the denominator same, so that's why we have to take 4/4 for C. So understood? It's very simple to understand this case. Like no sacrifice ratio will be calculated in this case, or you can calculate sacrifice ratio with the help of this same formula, that is son. So that's all, my friend. Thank you.